I'm going to be showing you how to get artifacts in Honkai Star Rail. So to unlock relics or artifacts, you'll need to unlock relics shortly after starting the Once Fallen into the Abyss section of another Trailblaze mission. So what you can do is unlock Trailblaze level 24, and during the Stars Are Cold Toys mission, the costs 40 Trailblaze power per challenge, and this will help you unlock relics. You can try purchasing the relics or artifacts from shops in Boulder Town and Master Control Zone using world-specific currency. Some less reliable but provide good artifacts or relics is missions and treasures. So just keep on doing them, just interact with the game, be in the game, and this will eventually help you get lots of artifacts and relics in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.